everybody. So today I wanted to come to a real quick video. It came to my mind yesterday when someone was asking me a question about the Personalization Studio. So I thought I would go ahead and just try to get this video done real quickly to show you how to navigate the Personalization Studio in 31 Today when placing your order. So of course, as always, you want to go to your 31today.com. And then you want to log into your account by using your consultant ID number and the password that you created when you joined. You're going to go ahead and click that sign in button. Okay. And so over here, you're going to click on your virtual office. So we're going to go in just like we were placing a traditional order. I have a couple of parties already up. So I'm going to go ahead and just pop into one of these parties real quick and make a mock order. So up here, of course, when you're in the party, you can hit New Order. And then I'm just going to type in my information just kind of as a placeholder for that. Now let's go ahead and choose a product. Now remember, you can always type in a portion of the name of the product, or you can actually type in the number. So you can choose your product, okay? And then what I'm going to do to make it super easy so we can see is I'm just going to choose a solid print here. So once you've chose your print, you're going to come over here to personalization. Now, here's where you're going to follow the steps 1, 2, 3, and 4. So number 1, you've already chosen your print product, but if you choose to change, so let's say, for example, you decided that you wanted the camo instead. You do not have to go back to the original screen that we were on. You can just choose this particular thing right here where it says Choose Product Print. If you click on the Choose Personalization, you can see that it brings up all of our personalization options that we have. The one that I had a question about the other day was the little scalloped heart, this one right here. So we'll go ahead and we'll click on that. Now, as you can see, right now it looks like it's a hot pink on hot pink with a teal or a turquoise, but you want to change this inner circle. So if you want to change this inner circle color right here, down here below, it's very easy to miss this, but you're going to hit Design Color. Okay, and then you're going to be able to come in here and you're going to be able to change the design color. So if you see that changed it to a light, the powder pink, you can change it any color you want. But what we're doing is we're changing that inner circle. If we decide to change the outer circle, please note that it is actually going to change the color of your letters as well. Now, one thing is that now you see that there's a bunch of A's here. Let's say that A is not what you want. That's not your choice. Now you're going to have to go to choose number 3 because you want to choose your text. You're going to type it in exactly the way that you want it. So that includes uppercases and the order that you want it to display on the product. So you can see right here that now everything has changed. It's according to how we want. If we decided we did not like lime green, we do not have to go back to that previous screen. We can just hit this color right here, and you can see that it changes it for us. Once we've gotten everything in the way that we want it, we can click number 4 and hit Save and Add to Cart. So let's go ahead and try a different one. We're still there. Should have noticed that. We're going to personalize this one. So just also to let you know, when you go into step number 2 to choose your personalization, you can also filter out different ones. So this right now you're seeing everything that we have. You can also filter it based on monograms, iconics, large monograms, logos, and text. So just so that you know, they are listed in the catalog by how they are categorized in here. So if we were to do the iconics, you can see that these are all the ones with the little graphics in them. So let's choose this adorable little elephant. And as you can see, he's hot pink and gray. He's not going to look real good on here, so we're going to change this color. So we can go in here and we can do, let's do a white elephant. And then the charcoal, I'm going to change that because he's not looking real good in that one either. And I can do a hot pink. Now, as you see, it changed the little ear on the adult elephant as well. Or I could even come in here, if it was for a boy, I could do the real cute breezy blue. If we were making this as a mama baby gift. If it were for a mom baby gift for like a little girl, then you could go in here and you could personalize that adorable elephant to pink. But there's some really great things that you could do with this. Just make sure that you're playing, you can play around with it however you want. Now, if you want to choose text, if you want to choose some words, you can click on this, on number 3. It's going to bring up your information. Now, it'll tell you to add a line of text. Okay? And you could say, baby. And then I could change the color if I want it here. So if I did not want that to be that coral color, I could change it. Oh, goodness. I could do another line of text. Baby mine. Okay? So you can see here that this is 2 lines of text. Because when we have that picture in the center, it will only do 2 lines of text. One above, one below. All right? So if we're completely satisfied with that, we can go in and we can obviously hit this add and save to cart. And we will be ready to add that product and check out with it at the very end. So I hope that this gave you some information so that you know how to use that Personalization Studio a little bit better. Thanks so much and have a great day, guys. Bye.